Hey YouTube, JW. Got a pretty cool knife here I want to show you. One that I've been wanting to get for a while. And it is a Sarco. You guys know that I really like Sarco knives. Sarco Japan in particular. But this one is an Edgeco as well. I'm sure most of you guys are familiar with the Edgeco brand. They were real popular in the 80s and 90s and had lots of items knives and stuff that they would sell in the back of magazines and stuff like that. Get out of there. So this knife is a copy of an old Italian, what they call a rapid knife, and really classic design. This one is a good example. It's in really good shape. There's a few scratches here as your buffalo horn handles, just from being in the box and sliding around. And I haven't really tried to do anything with this knife. It could clean up better. The old rapid knives like this, I just saw one sell for I think $350. The prices on these Sarco they call the Rolex. The prices vary. I paid under $100 for this one, but some people will try to get a couple $100 for them. I don't think they're really worth that much, but they can be had on eBay. And basically, why they call it the Rolex is basically what they call the Italian Rapid. And this looks a lot like the original. The blade profile is the same. The bolsters are a little bit different, but I like the looks of this knife. I really like it, and it's this lock design here with this one hand design. It's got kind of this cool looking knob here, and you push that unlocks the blade. Nice solid lockup, no blade plate. This is made in Japan. 440 stainless steel. This probably, I would say, is late 80s. Nice fit and finish all the way around. And then to close it, you just push that unlocks the blade. So basically what you've got here is like the original one-handed open knife, the Italian Rapid. And this is just a Japanese copy made by Sarco and distributed by Edgeco, which I like both of those brands. So I had been wanting to get one of these for a while, and the price was finally right on it, so I grabbed it. And it's a big folder. It didn't come with a sheet. Not really it's a classy knife, kind of like a stiletto. Overall, it is 8.5 inches. So it's a large folding knife. to me, it just really is a cool looking knife with this. I just like the way the bolsters look here. I like the way this looks, how it sticks out like that. It's just a really neat looking thing to me. I was glad to add this one to the collection. And I always like to feature unique knives and unique opening knives in my retro knife series. And I had yet to get a Rapid or Rolex knife in there, so I've had this one for a while. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen it. I'm trying to get caught up on knives and videos. I've got so much material to do videos on. I mean, I wouldn't have to get any more for a while. So stay tuned, because I'm going to be trying to do at least a couple videos a week to get caught up on a lot of these. I got a lot of cool switchblades, bottle songs. So if you like this kind of stuff and you're not subbed to my channel, go ahead and hit that sub button, and I appreciate it. And I'll put a link. I'm on Facebook as well now. I'll put a link to my Facebook and my Instagram below if you want to check that out. And I appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you on the next one.